Hi friends, welcome to Q.no. Today we are going to discuss 12.2 question number 4 to 7. Friends, the previous video I did 12.2 and 12.1 exercises solutions with a clear explanation. If you want, you can see in my channel. You can find out. If you want, I will keep in the description also. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, so let us go to the question number 4. From the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degrees. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. Yes, let us draw the diagram for this one first. First, there are two things. What is one building is there, one tower is there. Okay, so I'll take the diagram. Suppose building is this much height, some height is there. Okay, and tower is like this is there. Both are on the ground like this. Draw the parallel line. Okay, a line, the horizontal line on the ground. Now what happened? This is building. This is tower. Then top of the building to top of the tower. So the person observe the top of the building to top of the tower with angle of elevation 60 degrees. Angle of elevation is 60 degrees. We need to form the triangle. That's why with the height of the building, we will draw a parallel line. At the height of the building, we will draw a parallel line to the tower like this, to the horizontal. Okay. So now we got a right triangle, right? So in this one, what is the angle of elevation? 60 degrees is there. Okay. We don't know what is the height of the building. Let us take height of the building is sub h. Okay. Then here it is h means here in the tower also this part is becomes h. Right. Next, what happened? From the same point, from the same position, he has observed the what is foot of the cell tower with angle of 45 degrees depression. Angle of depression means which makes the angle towards the ground. Right. That's why the angle of depression is 45 degrees, which will be formed like this. So we know alternate interior angles are equal. That's why we have to form the 45 degrees here. Right. Now again we got one right triangle here. Now they are asking find the height of the tower. Height of the tower is nothing but a part of building height and the remaining part of the tower. Together is called height of the tower. That's why this total part I am going to take as h plus x. This is x. This part I am taking as x. Okay. This is x and this is h. This h is equal to the height of the building. Okay. Height of the building plus remaining part of the tower is equal to h plus x. Okay. So, and what they said, the distance between the tower and the building is 7 meters. So, from here to here is 7 meters is the distance. Right, diagram we got. Now let us solve the sum. Okay, so first let us write the given information. Once again, I'm pause the video for writing the given information. Now see the given information. Distance between the building and the tower is 7 meters. Height of the building is h meters. Height of the tower is h plus x meters. Okay, angle of elevation from the top of the building to tower is 6 meters. Sorry, 60 degrees from here to here. Angle of depression from the top of the building to tower is foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is 45 degrees to here. Right, this is the given. Let us solve the sum now. First, let us take one triangle. I'll take the first triangle, this one, or I'll take this triangle, any one triangle. So I'll take this triangle now. This is 7 meters. This is h. Okay, height of the building is there. So what is the angle here? 45 degrees. So with respect to the 45 degrees, this is called the opposite side. This is called the adjacent side. Right. Then so opposite to adjacent is tan. Tan 45 degrees is equal to tan 45 opposite by adjacent. Opposite is what? H by adjacent is 7. So tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to h by 7. Then h is equal to 7 meters. Okay. Height of the building is 7 meters. Okay. Height of the building is 7 meters. We got it here. 7 meters. Right. Next we go to the second diagram. So the second diagram is 60 degrees triangle. So the triangle is like this. It is having 60 degrees right triangle. Okay. This is height is here x. And this distance is equal to, because these two are parallel lines, that's why this is also 7 meters. 7 meters. Right. Now for 60 degrees, this is called opposite, this is called adjacent. Opposite to adjacent again, tan theta. So tan 60 degrees is equal to x by 7 meters. Tan 60 means root 3. Root 3 equal to x by 7. Take a cross product. If you take cross product, x equal to 7 root 3. X equal to 7 root 3. Right. Now total height of the tower is x plus h. Let us add. X plus h is equal to 7 root 3 plus 7. If you take 7 common, it becomes root 3 plus 1. Right? So root 3 means 1.732. 7 into 1.732 plus 1. It becomes what? 7 into 2.732. Then the product 14, 21, 22, 49, 51, 20, 14, 15. Okay. 5. So 19.124 meters. The value is 19 point. Therefore, the height of the tower is 19.124 meters. Okay, I hope you understood how to solve this one. It's a very, very important model. Thank you for watching. See the question number 5. The wire of length 18 meters has been tied with an electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Because it was covering long distance, It was cut and tied at angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. So how much length of the wire was cut? Okay, so we'll see. First, we'll take the diagram for this one. So there is a wire. It is 18 meters length and it is tied to the pole from the ground or pole to ground. Okay, so there is a pole. I'll take the diagram. Pole is there. Okay, and a rope or wire is connected to the ground from the top of the pole, like this connected. Okay, like this. It's making an angle of elevation with the pole is 30 degrees, right? But what happened? Its length is more. Its length is more. That's why this wire has cut. Some part of the wire has cut. Some part of the wire, either here or here, some part of the wire has been cut. And the remaining part of the, so of course, suppose up to here, the part of the wire is removed. Then this point, so this has tied to the ground. So then length is decreased means it will come closer, right? Like this, closer to the top, this one. So electric pole. That's why it is coming like this. Yes. Now after cutting a part of the wire, so the wire is now connected to ground here. Here what is the angle made by the wire with the pole is 60 degrees it seems. Initially what is the length of the wire? It is 18 meters. It was 18 meters initially. After cutting some part of the wire, now how much part of the wire is removed we don't know. So that's why we will take this part is 18 minus x. How much part is removed we don't know, that we need to find out. That length is nothing but we are taking as some x. Okay, this part is removed, that's why it is a part of the 18 meters, that's why the part we are taking as some x. The removed part is taking as x. Now we got the triangle. Alright, so let us take the solution. Okay, understood? Any more information is given? 30 degrees with the ground because it is covering 60 degrees. How much? Okay, no other information. So first let us write the given. Okay, for this one 1 minute I'll see the solution. Given height of the pole, we don't know, that we need to find out. With the height only we can get the unknown value, that x. Okay, so length of the wire is 18 meters. Initially it is 18 meters. The length of the wire after cutting some part from the 18 meters is 18 minus x. Okay, angle of elevations are 30 and 60 meters. So the removed or cut wire from the, we have to take some x. The wire which is removed, that length we have to find out, that we will take it as x. Let us do the solution. So first I will take the triangle. Okay, this triangle I will take. Triangle with respect to 60 degrees. Okay, let us take the triangle 60 degrees, or we can take with the 30 degrees also. So let us take with 30 degrees triangle. It is 30 degrees. It is height of the, this total triangle will come for 30, because it should be always right triangle. Don't take this part of the triangle for solving. We have to take always right triangle. So it is the right angle. It's the total length is this is, height is this is, and this is the length of the wire. Length of the wire is 18 meters. With respect to 30 degrees, h is the opposite side and 18 is the hypotenuse, because it is opposite to right angle. That's why it is called hypotenuse. So opposite to hypotenuse relation is sine theta. Yes, sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, right? Opposite value is what? H by hypotenuse is 18. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to h by 18. Take cross product. 2h equal to 18, right? Then h equals to 18 by 2 is equal to 9 meters, right? We got height of the pole is 9 meters, right? We got 9 meters. Then we need to find out the x value. To find the x value, we will take another a smaller right angle triangle which is having the 60 degrees. Okay, I'm taking 60 degrees. Here h we got 9 meters. Okay, here we got, so it is given 18 minus x meters, the removed part of the wire. So again for the 60 degrees is called opposite, this is called hypotenuse. Opposite to hypotenuse relation is sine theta, right? Then sine 60 degrees is equal to, opposite is what? 9 meters by hypotenuse is 18 minus x, right? Now sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 18 minus x. Take cross product. 9 2s are 80 is equal to 18 minus x into 3, root 3, right? So simplify, let us simplify. 18 is equal to root 3 into 18, 18 root 3 minus x into root 3, x root 3, right? Then take the Send here 18 is there, here 18. Let us transpose this 18 root 3 this side or x root 3 this side and transpose. X root 3, I am transposing this from this side. X root 3 is equal to 18 root 3. This is, and this one transposing to right side. Plus 18 becomes minus 18. Okay. Now take 18 common. If you take 18 common, we'll get root 3 minus 1. We will get root 3 minus 1. Root 3, we know that one. 18 into root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. Okay. 18 into 0.732. Okay, first let us, later we can do, if we change into decimal, it will be a little complication. So first I will keep like this only. Of course, you can change like this also. First, here also root 3 is there. Let us simplify first. So, x root 3 is equal to 18 root 3 minus 18 into root 3 minus 1 we got. X equal to 18 root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So, I want to rationalize this one. I don't want the irrational number in the denominator. We will rationalize. To rationalize, numerator and denominator to be multiplied by root 3. Then only root 3 can be rationalized. That's why I will multiply root 3 by root 3. Then it becomes 18 root 3 into 18 into root 3, 18 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into root 3, 3 comes. 3 ones are 3 6 are. Right? 6 root 3. 6 root 3 into root 3. How much comes? 6 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 square, square and square root get cancelled. 3 comes. So 6 into 3 comes. Minus 6 root 3 into, 6 root 3 minus 1. Sorry, into 6 root 3 into 1. 6 root 3. Right? Understand? Here 6 into root 3, 6 root 3. We have to multiply both binomial term with the outside term. 6 root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3. 6 3s are 18. Minus again 6 root 3 into 1. So 6 root 3. Here minus is there, na? Plus into minus, minus. 6 3s are 18 minus 6 root 3. Right? 18 minus 6 root 3. So I will change root 3 into decimal form. 18 minus 6 into 1.732. 18 minus, so the product to 2 6 2s are 12, 18 19, 42 43. So here 10 comes. 6 ones are 6. So 18 minus 10.392 comes. Then subtraction becomes 7 point, so 7.603 meters. So subtraction will be 7.603 meters. I hope you understood the solution. Okay, thank you. See the sum. Totally, I hope you understand. Very important model, children. Let us see the question number 6. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 30 meters high, find the height of the building. Okay, there are two heights. One is the tower and one more is the building. Okay, there is a tower, we'll take tower. Okay, and there is a building, we'll take. Okay, so see, angle of elevation from the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. This is the tower, this is the building. Okay, from the foot of the tower to top of the building. So we'll do the both are on the same surface. Draw a line. Okay, horizontal line. So from the foot of the tower to top of the building is 30 degrees, it seems. 30 degrees. Then what they said? And angle of elevation top of the tower from the foot of the building. Foot of the building to top of the tower is 60 degrees. It is 60 degrees. Okay. Then find the, if the tower is 30 meters high. This is given 30 meters height. 30 meters height is given. Okay. Find the height of the building. So this building height we don't know. Okay. This height we have to find out. Okay. We got the diagram. Yes. Let us solve this problem. Yes. See here. So we have two triangles. Let us take the two triangles. First given information I am going to write. Okay. The distance between the 2 foot, that is foot of the tower to foot of the building is, we don't know. Some distance we will take, some d meters we will take. Okay, let us write the given information. See the given information. Height of the tower is 30 meters. It is given height of the tower 30 meters. Height of the building is h meters. We don't know height of the building, that we need to find out. It is h meters. Then distance between them is d meters. Okay, angle of elevation from the Foot of the tower to building is 30 degrees. Foot of the tower to building is 30 degrees. Angle of elevation from the foot of the building to top of the tower is 60 degrees. So this is the 60. Let us solve the problem. So first one triangle I'll take. So I'll take 30 degrees triangle. Yes. So here 60 degrees I have drawn. Okay, let us take 60 degrees. It is 90 degrees angle. This is the tower. This is the distance and it is given 30 meters height. Height of the tower is 30 meters. With respect to the 60 degrees, this is called opposite side. This is called adjacent side, right? So opposite to adjacent ratio is tan. Therefore, tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. That is equal to 30 by d meters. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 30 by d. Then take the cross product. D root 3 meters is equal to 30. Right? Then d is equal to 30 by root 3. I want to rationalize the denominator. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 and root 3. We have to rationalize the denominator. Then it becomes 30 root 3. D is equal to 30 root 3 by 3. 3 tens are. Therefore, D is equal to D equals to 10 root 3 meters. We got D value. Distance is 10 root 3 meters. In the diagram, the distance is 10 root 3 meters. Let us find out the another one. So now it is the building. Okay, building one. Building. We'll take a triangle like this, which is having 30 degrees angle. Then it is 90 degrees. Opposite side is. Then this is the building, right? This height they are asking to find out. Now we got the distance. The distance we got how much? 10 root 3. So I will write 10 root 3 meters here. So for the 30 degrees, this is called opposite. This is called adjacent. Opposite to adjacent ratio again, tan ratio. So tan 30 degrees is equal to, so opposite by adjacent, that is h by 10 root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 10 root 3. Okay, root 3 cancel here. Okay, 1 by 1 is equal to h by 10. Take cross product, that implies h is equal to 10 meters. H is equal to 10 meters. So this is the second part of the solution. So height of the building is 10 meters height, it is there. Okay friends, I hope you understood how to solve this solution. Okay, thank you for watching.